All right, another common problem I have seen with contractors is where they will send you a bill and you didn't get what you paid for, okay? A lot of times this comes up because at the end of the day, we're real estate investors, so we're not the ones slinging hammers, playing with screwdrivers all day and so forth. So we don't necessarily know exactly how to know if something is done. So we pay people in faith that they did the job right. And we might go look at it and it might look okay, but we don't really understand deeply what we're looking at. So we just don't recognize any problems that might be right there before our eyes to a more trained eye in that particular trade. An example would be an electrician. If something's wired a little bit weird, I may not catch that, but a trained electrician would, okay, because they will know how it ties into X, Y, Z and how it could be a problem. Okay, so what I like to do is, I've learned if I'm going to look at something, pay somebody for something I don't understand, get that thing inspected. Now, if you've got a hard money lender, hopefully the inspectors they send out for draw requests are trained in this. However, do not assume that to be true because it is not always true. A third-party inspector can be very helpful for you. Okay, so those are some things to be aware of. Then they can make sure that, hey, this actually is done correctly or this needs to be fixed. Another piece of this puzzle is billing. Sometimes we start just paying bills, assuming things are done, and then you go on the job site and it's not done. So before you pay a contractor a bill, and it can be inconvenient sometimes, but get in the car, go to the job site, or have someone be on that job site for you nowadays with a video call, whether it's FaceTime, Google Duo, etc., and verify that the work that is said is done. I have seen where contractors have billed us only to find out after the fact they didn't even do the work that they were billing for. Again, it's trusting but verifying, and I do mean verify everything. And if something's not done, do not be afraid to hold them accountable. Yes, it's uncomfortable. Yes, it can be painful, but again, you have to defend your interests and make sure the job is done the way you expect it. So hope this helps. See you on the next one.